Chapter 12. Our Earth. Learning Objectives. To understand why Earth supports life. What is the shape of the Earth? What are the different movements of Earth? To find out about life on Earth. Our responsibilities towards the Earth. Earth has life. We have learnt about the 8 planets of the solar system. Earth is the only planet that has life on it. There are some special conditions on the Earth that help living things to survive here. Air. Earth has a blanket of air around it, called an atmosphere. We have learnt that air is a mixture of gases. It has carbon dioxide, nitrogen and the other important gases. This air also provides oxygen which is necessary for life to survive. We have learnt that all living beings need air to breathe. Water. About 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water. This is the reason that the Earth looks blue from the outer space. Water is an important component of the body of living things. It helps in many functions that take place inside the body. The constant evaporation and condensation of water in nature causes rain, which is important for survival of plants. Water on Earth is found in lakes, ponds, rivers, seas and oceans. Sunlight. The Earth is at the right distance from the sun. It is neither very hot nor too close. This provides the right temperature on Earth for the survival of life. Sunlight is also essential for the process of photosynthesis in plants. Plants make their own food using sunlight, and all the other life forms depend on plants for food either directly or indirectly. Shape of the Earth. Very long ago, people used to believe that the Earth was flat like a table. They also believed that at the point where the sea seemed to end, we would fall off. People were so fearful of this that they traveled little by sea. Many sailors began to undertake voyages around the globe. They understood that if they started from one point on the Earth and tried to travel in a straight direction, they would eventually reach the same point. With the development of science and technology, men sent satellites into space. These satellites clicked pictures of the Earth from outer space that clearly showed that it was spherical in shape. Movement of the Earth. The Earth shows 2 kinds of movements, revolution and rotation. Revolution. We have learnt about the solar system in the previous chapter. All the 8 planets revolve around the Sun in their fixed orbits. The Earth also revolves around the Sun. It takes 365 and 1/4 day for the Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun. The revolution determines the seasons on the Earth. Rotation. Imagine if you were to spin a top, you would have noticed that it begins to spin from its central axis. This is the axis of movement. The Earth is also believed to have an imaginary axis. The 2 ends through which the axis passes are called the poles, North and South Pole. The movement of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. The Earth rotates from west to the east. It takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation. That completes a day and a night. During rotation, only 1/2 of the Earth faces the Sun. This half receives the sunlight and experiences day. The second half is away from the Sun and does not receive any sunlight. This half has night. At any given time, the Earth undertakes both rotation and revolution. Our responsibility. The Earth provides us with air, water and many things that help us to survive. However, we have damaged the land, polluted the air and water. In order to fulfill our requirements, we have excessively cut trees. This is called deforestation. Many animals that depend on forests for living have either disappeared completely or are left very few in number. The water in the rivers and other natural resources has become very dirty and polluted because of wastes mixed in it from homes or the industries. The bad smoke given out from the factories and industries mixes with the air and pollutes it. All this is spreading many diseases among the people. In order to make the Earth a better place to live, we must plant more and more trees. Use only as much as required and waste less. Use electricity and vehicles wisely so that they put less pressure on the Earth. not waste water. Let's revise. The Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air. About 3/4 part of Earth is covered with water. The constant evaporation and condensation in nature help to bring rain. The revolution of the Earth causes seasons. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night.